Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name's Dominic James Murray, CEO and founder here at Cameron James. So today, everything is for the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin enthusiasts today. We get a lot of inquiries. When can I invest in Bitcoin inside my UK pension? If you want the answer to this, it's a very short one. The answer is no. When will you be able to do this? I'm not sure. So why can't you invest in Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies inside your UK pension asset? Many of my clients say to me, Dominic, it's my money. If I want to invest it in Bitcoin, I want to invest it in Bitcoin. Okay, that's fair enough. But inside a UK pension wrapper, it's not permitted. The UK government and the FCA has no intentions of allowing people to invest currently inside cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin inside the UK pension asset. Now, whether this will change over the course of the next 5-10 years, as Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies become more mainstream and more widely used, possibly. Maybe it could even happen quicker this. Maybe it might happen in 2 years. But right now, it's impossible to invest in cryptocurrency. Now, some of my clients say to me, Dominic, what's wrong with cryptocurrency? Why don't you want me to invest in it? And I say, no, that's not my opinion. I think cryptocurrency and Bitcoin can have a place in anyone's portfolio. People who are going very high risk and putting 100% of their assets into cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, maybe they're going to do very well from it. There's also a very high chance they're going to lose a significant amount of money, particularly retail investors. If you look at the cryptocurrency space at the moment, all the enthusiasts are saying, oh yeah, the banks are getting in, the institutions are getting in, this is great, it's becoming mainstream, it's great for cryptocurrency. I'm not so certain. Institutional investors, the big boys, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, they're there for profit. They couldn't care less about the ideology of cryptocurrencies, the blockchain. They may pretend to care, but they don't. They're profitable organizations. They will cut and run. When they have profits, they'll cut and run. When they have losses, they'll cut and run. If Bitcoin is down 10% in a day or a week, let's sell it. It's a bad day at the office. Write it off, 10% loss on that deal. They'll move on from it. They've got billions of pounds, trillions of pounds. They get on with it. They're not like a retail investor who buys cryptocurrency maybe because they believe in the ethos, they believe in the framework, they believe in everything. And they want it to succeed. They will hold Bitcoin until the end. And maybe it's going to be worth 100,000, 200,000, maybe 500,000 at some point. But the difference between retail and institutional investors is very, very clear. Institutional investors are there to make money. Retail investors, while they think they're there to make money, they're not necessarily. A retail investor, if something drops, sometimes they'll hold it anyway because they'll think, oh, okay, I want it to come back. Institutions are a bit different. So yes, right now, not possible to invest in cryptocurrencies in either your SIP or your QRUP or your defined contribution or your defined benefit schemes. There's no cryptocurrency exposure. And right now, I do not see that changing in any way, shape or form. In fact, the FCA is showing the opposite at the moment. Some bank accounts are refusing for you to do transfers to cryptocurrency exchanges. A lot of my clients ask me as well, Dominic, could I have some cryptocurrency advice from you? Could you invest my money into cryptocurrency? Maybe this is something we'll look into at some point, but obviously right now there is no regulation inside cryptocurrency. We are FCA regulated, we're EU MiFID II regulated, we're SEC regulated. None of that at the moment covers us to give you advice on cryptocurrencies. So any advice you get from anyone on cryptocurrencies is effectively unregulated, and you can have no recourse to that person if someone tells you to buy a cryptocurrency which goes completely kaput and ends up being zero. There's no recourse on that at all in terms of poor advice at this current point in time. So guys, I hope that's been valuable for you. Cryptocurrencies and UK pensions is currently a no. This doesn't mean that we're against investing in cryptocurrencies at Cameron James, but you also have to think about it in your retirement. Can you really afford to invest in something which is that wild and volatile? I don't think so. If your pension pot goes down by 10% in the space of a day or two, I don't think you're going to be very happy. You know, if you look at the global stock markets, the financial crisis, 2008, 2009, you're looking at 20-30% drops when the whole economy is going crazy. Sometimes Bitcoin can drop at 10% in a couple of days for no apparent reason. Maybe some whales in China dropped their Bitcoin and they obviously just sank the rest of the market with it. My personal opinion on cryptocurrency is, I think in 5 or 10 years time, it's going to come out. Cryptocurrency markets were maybe controlled by 100, 200, 300, 500 people, the whales, so to speak, who effectively move the market up and down, up and down, up and down, benefiting from the highs and benefiting from the lows, buying in low and selling high. And then you've got certain celebrities online who can do one tweet and they can send something 20, 30% higher. It's not market manipulation, they're just sharing their commentary, but when someone has that much influence, you don't have that in the stock market, or not to the same degree. So guys, I hope that's been useful. Maybe in 12 months time, 24 months time, I could be doing a video on this. What do you guys think? Would you invest money? Would you invest your pension inside cryptocurrency? If you were going to invest in cryptocurrency, what would you invest in? And what percentage of your portfolio would you invest it in? And also, would you pay advice to receive advice on cryptocurrency, even though it can't be regulated? Would you still pay for advice on cryptocurrencies? Really interested to hear about this. If I get some comments and feedback on this, I'd like to do some more cryptocurrency videos, but just sort of testing it to see if anyone out there is interested in this and wants some more videos. So let me know in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe, as always, to have more pension transfer updates from Cameron James. Thank you, guys.